Financial freedom, a dream millions of people share, yet very few ever take the first step. As a former bank employee, I saw this every day. People want financial independence, but most feel overwhelmed and don't know where to begin. The good news? There are simple basics that anyone can start applying today, and that's exactly what we're talking about, step by step, so you can build the foundation for your financial freedom. Before we dive in, quick disclaimer. This video is not financial advice. It's based on my personal research and experience. If you want to support this channel, consider subscribing. It really helps. Chapter 1. What financial freedom really means. So, what does financial freedom actually mean? Everyone has their own definition, but at its core, it means you decide what you work for, not your job deciding for you. You have the security to handle unexpected events without panic. You have the freedom to spend time on what truly matters to you: travel, family, personal projects. And importantly, financial freedom does not mean luxury cars and champagne. It simply means you stop trading all your time for money. Chapter 2. Your starting point. Know your numbers. Back in the bank, nearly everyone said, "One day I want to be financially free." But when I asked, "Okay, how much are your monthly fixed expenses?" Silence. Most people didn't know. If you don't know where your money goes, you cannot control it. So step 1 is simple. Write down your income. Write down every expense: rent, subscriptions, food, entertainment, everything. Use an app, a spreadsheet, or just paper. What matters is clarity. And before investing or saving aggressively, build an emergency fund, ideally 3 months of living expenses. This protects you from surprises. Chapter 3. Your savings rate. Your goal should be to save at least 20% of your income. If that's not possible yet, don't stress. Even 5 to 10% is a strong start. What matters most is that you start early. Because saving is not about restriction, it's about setting priorities. Automate it. Make a monthly transfer or savings plan so it happens without thinking. Chapter 4. Your first investment. Now we get to the step that changes everything. Investing. You don't need to be a stock expert. A simple ETF savings plan is enough. This allows you to invest in hundreds or thousands of global companies, automatically and at low cost. Here's where your best friend comes in: compound interest. Think of it like planting a small tree. At first it looks insignificant, but year after year it grows, and at some point it becomes strong enough to provide shade and fruit. That's exactly how your money grows over time. For example, if you invest only $100 per month at 7% annual return, after 40 years, over $260,000. And over $200,000 of that is just compound growth. You don't have to be rich to build wealth. You just have to start early and stay consistent. Chapter 5. Don't skip this. Insurance and protection. This part is often ignored because it sounds boring. But think of it like a seatbelt. You hope you never need it, but if something happens, it can save you. Absolute basics: a private liability insurance. And depending on your job and situation, disability insurance can also be very important. Protection prevents one unlucky event from destroying everything you've built. Chapter 6. Your biggest advantage: time. If you're in your 20s, you have the biggest advantage of all: time. The earlier you start, the less money you need to invest to reach the same result later. Your future self will thank you for every step you take today. Conclusion: CTA. Let's recap the steps. Define what financial freedom means to you. Track your income and expenses. Build an emergency fund. Set a savings rate. Aim for 20%. Start investing, for example, with an ETF savings plan. Protect yourself with basic insurance. Use time. Start as early as possible. Financial freedom is not a sprint, it's a marathon. But if you start now, you'll reach the finish line calmly and confidently. Tell me in the comments, what does financial freedom mean to you? And which step will you start with today? If you want to learn why the first $50,000 are the hardest but most important part, watch the next video. See you there.